Hello, class. It's Professor Christine Messier. I am recording this on Veterans Day. Hopefully you're taking the day off. But in the meantime, I wanted to send you a quick announcement to welcome you to week 5 of our 8-week course. So now you are going into the second half of the class, and thank you so much for all the efforts you've put in so far. I wanted to go over a few things so that you know what's kind of planned out for the next few weeks. So what's been happening so far, your discussion contributions have been fantastic. Thank you so much for your efforts. You're truly demonstrating your understanding of the chapter content and participating with your classmates, which I hope is expanding your knowledge base. The case studies also, in general, have been very, very strong. Again, not only are you clearly defining your answers to the questions of the case studies, but you're also demonstrating your understanding of the chapter topic. So I appreciate that as well. If you have not been scoring high on either your discussion contributions or your case studies, please make sure that you are clicking on your grade and looking at my comments, because each time that I read your contributions and your case studies, I make comments on things that could be improved upon. So if you're not getting perfect scores, please look at those comments so that you don't keep repeating the same mistakes. What's coming up next is this week, which obviously starts today on the 12th, you have your last case study to write. So you can all just have a little great celebration moment there that this is the last time you'll be writing a case study for this class, and it will be 9.1. That will be due this coming Sunday. Then we start off with Thanksgiving week, and Thanksgiving week you're off completely from the course. There is nothing due the Sunday after Thanksgiving. Take the whole week off. So that's from November 19th to the 25th. If you want to plan ahead, if you have time during that week and you think that when you come back from Thanksgiving, your course load will be heavy in your other classes, you can always read ahead. So this week, for instance, you're reading chapters 9 and 10, and you're doing discussion posts on 9 and 10. But when you come back from Thanksgiving, you're going to be reading 3 chapters, 11, 12, and 14. You're going to skip chapter 13, as I mentioned at the beginning of this course. So the fact that you have 3 chapters to read also means you'll have 3 quizzes to take and 3 discussion posts to participate in. So please make sure you plan for that. Because there are 3 chapters, there is no case study for that week. And then the week after that, which begins the last 2 weeks of the course, you'll be given access to the information you'll need to start writing your final paper. Again, as I've mentioned before, the final paper is not to be something that you're intimidated by. It's actually a very, very interesting process in which you're going to be taking 3 personality and management assessments of yourself. And then once you gain that knowledge about the results, you'll be answering questions and completing your paper in that manner. So it's not a research paper per se. And then you have the final exam. And if you've done well on the quizzes, you'll do well on the final exam. That doesn't mean that all the quiz questions are repeated in the final, but it is based on the publisher's content that they provide for the final exam. So I have chosen true and false and multiple choice questions for the chapters. So that's all I wanted to let you know about. Again, we're entering week 5. Thank you so much for all that you've been doing. If you're not scoring well on your discussion posts and your case studies, please, again, click on your grade, read my notes so that you can improve upon for next time. So have a great week, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of your comments.